Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix weather app not working on Apple Watch. Are you having trouble that your weather app is not working on your Apple Watch? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Check connection. Ensure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Verify Wi-Fi is enabled on your Apple Watch for data connectivity. Check that your iPhone has an active internet connection. 2. Set your Apple Watch weather app. Open Apple Watch app. Launch the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Navigate to weather settings. Tap on My Watch at the bottom of the screen. Select weather. Choose the weather option. Set default city. Tap on default city. Choose current location. Select current location as your default city. 3. Check weather cellular access. Open Apple Watch app. Launch the app on your iPhone. Go to cellular settings. Tap My Watch Cellular. Verify connectivity. Check if cellular is set up, plan is active and the watch is connected to a cellular network. 4. Enable background app refresh. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Select the My Watch tab at the bottom left corner. Tap on General. Choose Background App Refresh. Toggle the switch next to each app to enable background app refresh for the desired apps. Consider enabling the master toggle at the top center for overall background app refresh. 5. Disable low power mode on your Apple Watch. Using Control Center, swipe up the Apple Watch display to bring up Control Center. Tap on Battery Percentage button. Toggle off low power mode. Thank you for watching.